I can disagree.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for the waters surrounding North Island, to Rose Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts of 34 knots over Drum Point, moving east at 15 knots. Merriman Island, Fishing Creek, wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high.
You are going to die, sir. You are going to die.
Until this storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck, if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects,